I'm gonna need y'all to get into it. Get into it, sis. This wig is absolutely incredible, okay? I love this wig. You know, bleaching the knots is not necessary. With this wig, bleaching the knots is definitely not necessary. So I didn't bleach the knots, and I also did not have to pluck the hairline. It fits me. The color, the curls, everything. I don't know if you guys noticed the twist that I had in front, but I wasn't really feeling it. So I did install this wig over, and I didn't do it on camera. And that's when I was telling you, the second time I reinstalled this wig, I didn't use any got to be glue or anything like that. So the wig is strictly glueless. Now it does lift up on the sides. That's the only thing. I only came across one wig, which I recently did a video on, where the sides did not lift up. But like I always say, it's not really an issue if you are wearing a middle part or even a side part. If you have the hair going down and not going back into a ponytail, like a half up, half down, where the sides are not going to lift, then you'll be fine. Look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. And I did not add any baby hairs to this look. Me, I'm kind of over the baby hairs. It's just for certain styles I feel like, let me do a little baby hair. But you don't need all that, especially if the hairline is on point. You don't need it at all. Trust me. And let me tell you something. The way they making these wigs now with the pre-plucked hairline and the already bleached knots, the HD lace, it's not like it used to be. You know how back in the day wigs, when they just started coming out with the wigs and they wasn't advanced like they are now, and it was like you had to add baby hairs to y'all know what I'm talking about. You had to add them baby hairs because the hairline just, it wasn't hitting. No, you really don't need it. It's very much an option nowadays. Alright y'all, so this is the second time I applied this wig, and this was without any type of wig adhesive, got to be glue, nothing, you guys. Curly hair, it just works best. And if you have not heard of RaShon, she actually did this exact same method on the same exact wig. Check out her video for this if you have not already, but she slayed that wig as well. So that's kind of the trick to get the curls really defined and just looking big and beautiful like it is. And I'm not saying do the whole head. Like, I took sections from the bottom. I didn't go from the root all the way down. I took sections, and don't take every single section. Like, just take some sections and do the method. And then let it air dry. I let mine's air dry. And then when it dried, that's when I plucked it out and fluffed up the curls a little bit. And you'll get this full, big, curly look. Curly hair looking so good and natural and defined. So yeah, make sure you check in the description box for links to this wig just in case you guys are interested. But that is the end of my video, and I will see y'all in my next video.